Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing my Gymshark package. At the back here is my address, and I'm not going to flip it around and stuff. But let's see what we got inside. So first one is this. So I'm going to move that one away. No address. You can clearly see it says Gymshark there. Warning this bag is suffocation risk. Keep away from babies and young children. That's cool. And then you got the back here. This is the Premium Legacy quarter zip to a 2XL extreme oversized fit. Oh, I don't think I saw that. So let's see how big this is going to be. Open her up. And here it is. So it's got the Gymshark fitness logo, and then how it looks there. It's got two little pockets on either side. Feels like really good and thick quality. It looks like this goes all the way through as well. Yeah. Yeah. And if we look at the back, it looks something like that. A little bit of a collar, but although you could probably. But yeah. And that is my Gymshark package. If you guys have any questions or comments, drop it below, and I'll happily let you know what my experience was like ordering it online. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.